Okay, friends, in this video, we are learning how to sort Spotify songs by alphabetic order. Okay, just open your Spotify application from your phone. Okay, then select your playlist. You can see here my songs are now it is sorted by recently added. So you can see here K, P, E. There is no alphabetic order. So you can choose the sort option. And one more thing, this sort option is not always available. Once you can see the sort option, then sort it. Then Spotify application keep it as sorted. So second time you open the application, you can't see the sort option. Don't worry. You can see the songs by last sorted list. Okay, just open your sort. Then you can choose custom order, title, artist, album, or recently added. So I'm choosing this one, title. Then you can see it is sorted here like A and C, like this alphabetic order. So that's guys very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch, understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.